Hello everyone, my name is Jatin. I'm working as a digital marketing manager at Sparks IT Solution. Today I want to congratulate all of you for Sparks Foundation Day, and I hope you will enjoy the events which we have planned for all of you later in the evening. I want to share my journey with Sparks IT. It has been approximately 2 years I'm working here, and from the first day I started working here, I'm quite thankful for the confidence and faith which management has shown in me. It has allowed me to think out of the box. It For any employer, it is very vital to show faith in your employee, because once your supervisor and you or your manager shows faith in you, it gives you the ultimate confidence to do your best, think out of the box, and implement your ideas. With the faith and confidence which was shown in me, it allowed me to have an entrepreneurial mindset to manage and lead the in-house websites. Therefore, for both the website, that is Sparks IT and CSS Chopper, in the time span of 2 years, we have rebranded Sparks and Chopper. For Sparks, we have coined the term we ideate, innovate, and create. And this is the motto which is being followed throughout the Sparks IT solution. We are hopeful and quite positive that in the coming future we will achieve the ultimate success for which we are working very hard, and the roadmap is already in place. For CSS Chopper, we coined the term your technology partner, and we have introduced so many new services and different verticals in CSS Chopper. So in the end, I want to sum up my this journey or whatever I am explaining to you right now, that I personally doesn't consider Sparks IT as my employer. I consider them as my extended family. I wish you all the best, and I wish Sparks IT Solutions all the best for the coming years, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.